Hey guys on YouTube and girls, just wanted to make a quick video here of the fuel pump install that I did on my 02 Tacoma here. This is the Walbro 190 LHP something blah 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 whatever. It comes with these instructions. It says URD Performance Corporation yada yada yada. Take off the fuel tank, take that thing off, put that thing there. Basically get up with this thing, take it apart, put it back together, and you get that. Yep, pretty easy install. Instructions are okay. One thing you gotta do is cut off the little nipple over here to make that fit. What else? Comes with these cool bags. Also, the pump comes with this instructions here, which I didn't even read this because this is like too much stuff. Anyways, you don't need that. So here's the breakdown. Black wire, red wire, blue wire. A little oil filter down here. Filler cap. 2 zip ties. And this thing. Pretty much that's all you need. Then you put it back into this bucket. Make sure you use 120 Torx to tighten these down. And then use some WD-40 to clean the sucker up. All these hoses, you want to connect this one, goes to the evap system. This one, you don't really need that one. Yeah, basically it goes underneath here, just like that. You don't need much tools though, like a couple of like those things. And not really much to it. So if you guys have any questions on this install, oh yeah, and I have to cut these wires. This is the stock one, but you don't really need this. One other thing is there's a little thing down here to connect the filter muffler thing to the pump, and it hides underneath the little filler piece here. Hope that makes sense. Easy install, took about too much time, but that's about it.